Okay. Hey, this one, we've got Chris. He's buying a movie ticket for $12.75. But the ticket was 15% off. So the question is, how much did the ticket cost originally? So we just kind of have to do a little bit of working backwards here. So we had some original price. We'll call it X. And then X was 15% off. And we ended up with $12.75. Now, think about how would we do this calculation. Well, we turn 15% into a decimal or a fraction. So we would say 0.15x. That's how we'd calculate what 15% of x was. Or I guess, if you like, 15 over 100x. Same thing. Both 0.15x. Somehow that worked out to $12.75. So to solve this equation, all we have to do is divide by 0.15 on both sides. Or we got, oh, hold on a second. What am I doing? This isn't right. It was 15% off. Okay, and that means, here's a little trick with percentages for you. Okay? If it's 15% off, and the whole price is 100%, then 100 minus 15 is 85%, which means that the ticket's 15% off, so it costs 85% of the original. So this would be 85% of the original. So instead of going our original price minus 0.15x equals 12.75, we think, well, let's just do a little distributive property thing. I'm going to pull these x's out. That's a 1x. And we'll get x times 1 minus 0.15 equals 12.75. And 1 minus 0.15, that's 100% minus 15% is 85%. And we get 0.85x equals 12.75. So you can either work it out this way. Think of this as I've got the whole price, take away the discount amount, do a distributive property, a reverse distributive property thing. And this will get, it's 1x minus 0.15x, pull the two x's out, and I have 1 minus 0.15, which becomes 0.85. Or you could just remember that we had 15% off, which means that out of 100%, there's 85% remaining. Because we're calculating the remaining price. That's what the 12.75 is. 12.75 isn't the discount, it's the remaining price. That's the mistake I almost made. So now we divide by 0.85 on both sides. So divided by 0.85 gives us 15. So the original price was $15. And we could check this by, if I take 15 times 0.15 gives us $2.25. 15 minus $2.25 is $12.75. So again, overall process here, we started out with some amount and we wanted to take a 15% discount, but the 15% discount means that out of 100%, we took 15% away, we were left with 85%. So what we're calculating is what is 85% of the original. 12.75 is 85% of the original. So we took x, we multiplied it by 85%. 85% of means multiplication. 85% of the original is 85% times the original, would give us 12.75. So then we set up an equation that says that 0.85x equals 12.75, and to solve that equation, we have to divide by 0.85 on each side. And that is working backwards with percentages.